Hello everyone. Good afternoon. Namaste. Jai Hind. And welcome to BYJU'S Exam Prep. Yes, I am Vikas Dahiya, Quant and LRDI expert here. Hello everyone. Okay, so today we are going to discuss how to tackle DI in CMAT. Yes. ओके फटाफट सेशन ज्वाइन कर लो, जल्दी से अपने फ्रेंड्स को भी बता दो. Anandu Vishwanath, hello, good afternoon. Mustafa, afternoon, good afternoon. Okay, so today's agenda, we will discuss the DI part. Okay, so DI specifically for CMAT. Okay, so when I am talking about CMAT, this DI part is going to be easy to moderate level. That's it. Right? अगर आप last year or before, so previous year question papers अगर आप देखोगे actual CMAT, right? Those are very, very easy questions they have asked in DI. Okay, so very easy. So very easy to moderate, you can say. Maximum moderate. Yes, जल्दी से अपने फ्रेंड्स को भी शेयर कर दो सेशन को. Okay, so we are going to discuss few good DI sets. Good DI sets means according to CMAT level, right? I will tell you the approaches, right? How to handle that and how not to waste time. Okay, see, if I talk about importance of this topic, right? Importance of this topic, then okay, so you can say that there will be quant plus DI section. Okay, this section is a combined section in CMAT, and you will get around 5 questions, right, on DI out of total of 25. Right? Approximate 5 question. Right? That means around 20% of your quant and DI section. But still, it is going to be easy. It is going to be easy. But you need to save time here. Okay, time नहीं waste करना है. That is the more important. तो यहाँ पे time बिल्कुल भी waste नहीं करेंगे. Okay, so let's move to the sets now. Okay, कुछ set you will get to know the level of CMAT DI. So what level they are asking. I have taken one good set also, right? A slightly higher level than CMAT, but okay kind, not that very difficult. It is moderate level, right? Okay, so let's start with this. Okay, first set, just see the data. Just see the data. Okay, here this table below shows the monthly salary in rupees and percentage of saving for 5% ABCD. So it is percentage of the salary, right? So if you read the data, it is something like this, that person A is saving 20% of his salary. That means the saving will be 4,000. Okay, it's like this. So you know the data now. Okay, very simple data. Salaries are given, right? Figures are very easy. Then saving percentage is given, right? Percentage saving is given. And based on this, there will be questions. Okay, let's come to the question. I have taken this table on with every question. So you need not to worry about this. Don't note down this table. Okay, you will get this table on every page. Okay, so let's start with this. शेयर करते रहना, लाइक और शेयर जरूर कर दिया करो सेशन को. Sweetie, hello, good afternoon. Yes, tell me quickly, what is the average monthly expense of CDE? Here salary is given, percentage saving is given, so you can easily calculate the expenses. Right? I will tell you the best method how to do it very fast. So it is salary minus saving would be your expenses. Right? So tell me the answer quickly. Rishabh, I will tell you the schedule of this week. I will tell you after this. There is a screen, there is a slide I have taken for the entire schedule. So I will tell you the schedule of this week. Okay, so what all classes are there in this week? Yes, average monthly expense. Okay, you should have answered. It is very, very easy. जल्दी से सेशन को शेयर भी कर दो और ये फटाफट से सोचेंगे. देखो CDE, he is talking about only CDE. C, D and E. If 50,000 is the salary, 10% is the saving. Okay, the link is there. Link is there in the description of this video. Right, the link is there. Okay. So if 10% is the saving, what will be the expense? 90%. So 90% would be 45,000. So C's expenses, I am writing here expenses, right? D, 25% is 1/4. So saving will be 6250. So expense will be 25 minus 6. So 18,750. Right? Here, 30,000, 30% is the saving. So that means 70%, that is 20,000 will be expenses. Right? Now see that if you have done this much, now just see this part. I want to take the average. This is a multiple of 3. 45 is a multiple of 3. 18 is a multiple of 3. 21 is a multiple of 3. So that means here whatever average I will get in 1000, that will be integer. Okay. So here the remaining in 1000, it will be 750 by 3. So 250 should be there in the end. So this should be the answer. Okay, are you getting it? मैं क्या बोल रहा हूं कि thousands पूरे 3 के मल्टीपल हैं, तो thousands डिवाइडेड बाय 3 तो कंप्लीट thousands आ जाएंगे, और जो रिमेनिंग 750 है वो डिवाइडेड बाय 3 250 बनेगा ना लास्ट में. सो लास्ट में 250 बनेगा तो सी ऑप्शन ही हो सकती है, और क्यों होगी? और कोई तो नहीं होगी. आर यू गेटिंग माई पॉइंट? यस. से DI की अप्रोच विद, बिकॉज देयर विल बी ह्यूज डेटा, राइट? सो मच ऑफ डेटा वुड बी देयर. तो डेटा खाली मतलब डेटा पे अगर पूरा पूरा सॉल्व करके सारा करेंगे, ऐड करके करेंगे, तो टाइम बहुत वेस्ट हो जाता है. इवन इफ द क्वेश्चन इज इजी, राइट, द टाइम वेस्टेज विल बी देयर, राइट? तो टाइम वेस्टेज, टू सेव दैट टाइम, राइट, वी नीड टू थिंक स्मार्टली. तो वो सिर्फ मैं शेयर कर रहा हूं कि कुछ अप्रोच जो पॉसिबल है, राइट, जो पॉसिबल है वो मैं शेयर कर रहा हूं. जो अप्रोच मुझे लगती है आप जितना उसको अडेप्ट कर सके, that would be correct. Okay, let's move to the next one. C is the correct answer. Next one. Tell me this now. Okay, and quickly answer also, right? Just try to interact. Monthly expense of D is what percent of the monthly salary of B? So read the question carefully. Expense of D we have already calculated. We have already calculated expense of D, that was 18,750, and salary of B is 40,000, right? So simply he is talking about that, tell me the percentage of this out of this, right? Where I'm not bothered about the zeros. I'm just bothered about the digits. So I will divide by 4 only. 4 into 4. So if I cancel this, 4 into 4, 27, 4 into 6, 46. Only there is in option A. 46 is there only in option A. Right? I started divided by 4. Right? And I got 4, 6. Right? And that is there in option A only. So you should mark that. Okay. So minimize your calculation as much as possible. Right? जितना कम calculate करें उतना अच्छा. Okay. जितने कम calculation में if you can reach out to answer. Okay. If you have any doubt you can ask. Right? And try to interact. Okay. Questions are easy. And there will be easy questions in CMAT. So A is the correct answer. And keep liking and keep sharing the session. Share जरूर करते रहना. Easy questions हैं. Now next one is, yes, Danesh. Yes, A was the correct answer. Now let's move to the next one. What is the total monthly expense of ABD? Okay, you just need to add. You just need to add. Okay. What should be my answer? You know that in D we got the expenses as 18,750, right? In all other, 80% of this will be complete with last 3 zeros in the end. Here last 3 zeros in the end. Here last 3 zeros in the end. Here last 3 zeros in the end. So that means whatever, if I add ABD, there must be 750 in the end. Can I look at it like this without adding? Right? I know Rishabh, daily DI, I don't know, but I will tell you the schedule. I will tell you the schedule. Okay, तो उसके accordingly you can plan. Okay, अभी मैं आपको schedule दिखा दूंगा इसके बाद क्लास के end में. Right, then you can plan accordingly. Okay, so there is a different classes planned. So today I am taking DI for this particular CMAT. Right, tomorrow I think I have a session on DI for testnet. Okay, so you can see the entire week schedule. Right, I think that is given in the description also, but I will share the slide with you. Yes, E is the correct answer. Vikas, Anandu, Tuhina, right, correct. E option is the correct answer. And keep sharing the session. Right, yes, Rishabh, it is correct. So let's move to the next one. TIS, you can think so, right? These are easy sets. TIS also asks easy questions, right? Easy on DI. But I will take a special session on TIS DI tomorrow. That is also simple, right? In DI in test also will be very simple. Okay, by what percent approximate monthly expenditure of C and E together is more than combined monthly saving? Okay, so C and E, you have expenses 45,000 and 21,000. These are the expenses. Savings are 5,000 and 9,000. These are the savings, right? So total savings are 4,000, right? And total expenses are 45 and 21, 66. So he is saying 66, okay, 66 is more than 14,000, right? So the ratio is 33/7. So how much it is more? It is 26 more than 7. So that will be 7 into 3, 50, 7 into 7. So 370% something. So D should be the correct answer. It is 3 times, between 3 and 4 times. So you can simply look at it at like this. It will be more than 300%, less than 400%. So 300 से कुछ percent ज़्यादा होगा. So 370%, right? ज़्यादा है. Okay, are you getting this? If there is any doubt, we will do it again. The question is that C and E expenditure. Now total expenditure of C and E is 66, right? This total expenditure of C and E, this is 66, right? Is more than their combined saving. Their combined saving is 14,000, right? This is their saving, combined saving, and this is their expenses. Okay, let me just highlight this. This is total expenditure, right? So this is 66 and total saving, right, is 14,000. Now he is asking that how much 66,000 is what percent more than 14,000, right? Okay, now let me do it again. Okay, it's more than that. It is actually 371. Okay, just see. Now 66,000 is more than 14,000 by 52,000. So it is 52,000 more than 14,000. This is what he is asking. So 14 and 52, which you can say 26 and 7. So 26 by 7 into 100 is this. Right? Are you getting this, Anandu? Anandu Vishwanath? 66,000, that is their expenditure, is 52,000 more than 14,000. Right? Because he is talking about the difference, that how much it is more than the total saving. Okay, I hope you are getting it. Yes? Okay, good, good. Very good, very good. And again, I am requesting you to kindly share the session. Okay, जितना ज़्यादा share करोगे उतना अच्छा है. Okay, so let's move to the next one. So D is the correct answer. Next one. So one more question on this, then we will move to the next set. Find the difference of monthly saving of D and E together and monthly salary of A. Very easy. Because monthly salary of A is this and monthly saving of D and E. Now saving of D is 1/4, that is 6250. These are saving I am writing. And E is 9,000. So here the total saving will be 15,250, and the difference from this is going to be ending in 750. See, the difference of 1,000 and 250 will be 750, right? So the difference must be ending in 50, that is 750. There is no other value which is ending in 50. Okay, so A option you can easily mark, otherwise also this is, the difference is very easy. Okay, A ki salary and D and E ka savings, right? You need to take the difference of those two. Okay, so let's move to the next one, next set. I think this was very easy. Yes, this was very easy, and you are going to get easy questions only in CMAT. Okay, next one. So this is actually a slightly difficult than CMAT level, right? It is basically a moderate level question, right? But generally when I say that, okay, you should do easy questions, right? You should always do a level higher than that also, right? Okay, ऐसा ना हो ना कि तुम्हें मन में ख्याल आए कि सीमेट नाम सुन के फ्लावर समझे थे क्या? Okay, so let's do this also. So a table, that the missing table is there. You know that CP, MP, discount, SP. Okay, profit loss का chapter पढ़ा है ना? So based on profit loss. Okay, so let's do this. Right? One thing is, never fill this. Okay, generally, right? You should not fill. You should not fill. Okay, okay. You should not fill this table right initially. Okay, only fill that value, only calculate that value which is asked in the question. Right? Question में पूछेगे तभी तभी. Right? Okay. So let's start with the question. Okay, see the question. Right? I told you that this set is a slightly moderate level. Right? Okay, it is not easy level set. So you should know the concept of CP, SP, MP, that is profit loss discount. Right? But it will be useful. Doing this set will be useful because profit loss discount, questions on profit loss discount will be there on in the quant section. Right? There will be. Okay, so if MP of laptop is 140 more than CP of mobile. Now CP of mobile you don't know, but MP of laptop is given, right? So with MP of laptop, you can calculate CP of mobile now, right? That is this minus 140. If you do minus 140, okay, just see. So 2720 minus 140. So this will become 262580, right? Okay. So if 2580 is the cost, now it is given that difference between MP and SP of mobile is 780. Now if you know mobile cost and you know the profit, you can calculate selling price. So 30% is the profit. That means 750, 24, 774 is the profit. So you added 25 and 7. Oh, CMAT registration, right? I think that will be out or in a day or two. It will start. Okay, just see this. First 25 and 7, 32. So 3334, right? So this should be 354. Sorry. Okay. Oh. Right. Just calculate it. Now if you have this cost price and their profit 30%, so I can add it and it will become 3354, right? And you know that MP and SP, the difference is 780. So you will add 780. So it will become 33 and 740. So 4134, right? And the discount percentage, right? Here the difference is, okay, the discount is 780 only. So we want 780 on a percentage of 4134, right? This percentage I want to calculate. Let's divide by 41 first. For this I am dividing 41 into 1, 41. So it will be 370. 41 into 9 would become 369. So very close to 19%. Very close to 19%. Okay, which one? This is close to 20%. This is close to 19%. So this should be my answer. Right? So if I have taken 4134, I am dividing by 4100, not 4134. So if I divide by 4134, it will be less than 19%, not more than 19%. Right? If there are two values, which is 19 plus and 19 minus, so I will go by 19 minus because I am dividing by 4100. Right? I have read the table of 41 only. Okay? तो 41 का टेबल पढ़ के किया. Is this clear? So the correct answer should be C option, 18.86%. But ये क्या है? थोड़ा सा calculation based, हल्का सा, not that easy. जो पहले कर रहे थे that was very easy. Okay, ये moderate level है. Okay, यहाँ बहुत बड़ा concept नहीं लगा रहे, but still because of these calculations, right, it becomes moderate level. Okay, so let's move to next one. Next one. The ratio of discount percentage and profit percentage. See, he is not given the ratio of discount and profit. He is given ratio of discount percentage. Right? Okay, not exactly CMAT, but CMAT or parallel. Like similar question appeared in Maharashtra CET, but that is also asking question on CMAT pattern only. Right? These are not exactly the same question from CMAT previous year. I will take some questions from CMAT previous year also, right? Okay, in some other session I will take. Okay, so here if the discount, right, here watch he is talking about, the discount is 14%. If this is 14% and the ratio is 7:5, so this must be 10%. So profit must be 10%. Now he is asking for cost price of the watch. Okay. So cost price of the watch, let's say, is X. 10% is the profit. So selling price will becomes 110% of X. Right? 110% of X will become the selling price of watch. Right? Mark price of the watch is given in the question, given in the data. So mark price, and if you give 14% discount, you will sell at 86% of that. Right? So this also is selling price. This also is selling price. So can I equate to get the cost price of the? So this you need to solve. Okay, let's solve it. So here 100 I am cancelling out, right? Either you just divide, okay, just cancel this 0. 5 here I will cancel. So it will become, okay, 5, 7 and 5 and 2 I am cancelling here. So my answer becomes 575 into 43 divided by 11, right? Can I cancel by 11? Okay, let's cancel with 11 some value. So it will be 11 into, okay, wait a minute. So here it will be 11 into slightly less than 4, slightly less than 4. So if I multiply 4 into 5, 20 and 3, so it will be slightly less than 2300. Okay, which value? Okay, there are two values, sorry, two values. So you need to see, because slightly less than 4 can be anything. So you can multiply this, right? You need to multiply. So here you need to multiply. Let's see this. 575 into 43. Okay, that will become 40, 575 double is 1150, 1150 double is 2300. So into 40 is 23,000, and into 3 will be 15 and 220, 1725. So the total is 24725. Divided by 11 I will do. So this will be 11 into 2, 22, 2, 7, 11 into 2 again. 22, 5, 2, 11 into 4, 8, 5, so 7. So the answer should be D option, right? D option should be the correct answer. Again, there was a bit of calculation, right? Because the answers were close. Okay, you are calculating simple value, but the point is that you need to calculate, and if you need to calculate this much, right, so it is not easy. कैलकुलेट करना पड़ रहा है ना आपको. मैंने 43 से मल्टीप्लाई किया है, पहले 40 से फिर 3 से. Okay, or the other way is, okay, or the other way is, I know that this is 14% and this is 10%. Okay, so if the mark price was this and you have given 14% discount, you are selling at 86%, right? So here, instead of multiplying this, you can just subtract 14% also. Or now see this, equal to cost into 110%. So 100 cancel. Now the thing is, instead of cancelling 86, you cancel 11 into 10, 11 into 2, 22, because the large value will have lesser impact, right? So 6, 7, 6, 1. So around 261. So 261 into 86. Okay. So 261 into 86 will be, just multiply. Okay, I will do the bachon wala method, or you can just do 6, 36 and 8, 44. And then 12 plus 40, 48 plus 12, 60 and 4, 64, right? Then 16, 16 and 6, 22. So the correct answer will be 2244 something. So D option you can mark. Okay, so that there were calculations. So let's move to the next one. Okay, calculation मैं आप पे छोड़ रहा हूं, आप अपने आप कर लोगे. Okay, next one. D is the correct answer. Okay, next one देखते हैं. If the ratio of CP of laptop and Kindle is 4:5, okay, so laptop ये दे रखा है, तो Kindle की कॉस्ट आ गई, राइट? सो Kindle की कॉस्ट कितनी आ गई? 2280 का 5/4. ओके, ये Kindle की कॉस्ट आ गई, कॉस्ट. नाउ फाइंड द डिस्काउंट परसेंटेज ऑफ Kindle. अब Kindle की कॉस्ट पे उसने प्रॉफिट दे रखा है 20%. सो प्रॉफिट लेंगे तो ये सेलिंग प्राइस बन जाएगा, राइट? ये सेलिंग प्राइस बन जाएगा. अब ये पूरा सेलिंग प्राइस बन गया. इसको मार्क प्राइस दे रखा है, राइट? उसमें से कितना डिस्काउंट दिया होगा, परसेंटेज निकालना है. पहले ये देख लेते हैं, दोनों जीरो मैं यहां कैंसिल कर देता हूं, और 4 into 3, so 15 into 8, 120, 15 into 2, 30 and 12, 42, 15 to 30 and 4, 34. So this is the discount given. Discount given is 380. So 10%, exactly 10%. राइट? ये मैंने सेलिंग प्राइस निकाल दिया उसका. कॉस्ट प्राइस से आपने 5/4 किंडल का कॉस्ट निकाला, किंडल के कॉस्ट पे आपने 20% प्रॉफिट लिया क्योंकि उसने प्रॉफिट दे रखा है, तो सेलिंग प्राइस निकला। सो मार्क प्राइस इतना था, सेलिंग प्राइस 3420 आया, द डिफरेंस इज 380, तो आपने डिस्काउंट 380 दिया 3800 पे, दैट इज 10%। ओके, अ डिस्काउंट ऑफ 380 ऑन 3800 इज सिंपली 10% डिस्काउंट। ओके, अगेन कैलकुलेशन नहीं इतनी नहीं थी, राइट, फिर भी नॉर्मल। ओके, लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट वन। और कीप इंटरेक्टिंग, आप इंटरेक्ट करते रहो, कोई बात नहीं, एक दो मुश्किल क्वेश्चन आ भी जाए तो छोड़ दिया करो, राइट। अगर आपको लगता है ज्यादा कैलकुलेशन हो रही है, यू शुड नॉट स्पेंड टाइम, यू शुड नॉट वेस्ट टाइम, यू कैन लीव दैट क्वेश्चन, यू कैन स्किप दैट क्वेश्चन, right? But still I am showing you, right, one question. Okay, this is the only question I have taken that was above, okay, you can say moderate or average level, but otherwise there are easy question. Now we will do this. Okay, pie chart. Pie chart generally here, okay, last year also CMAT जो last है, slot 1 slot 2 both have that question on pie chart. Okay, now see, pie chart काफी easy पूछा है उसने, और ये भी easy है। Now here the pie chart is on, okay, partnership. The percentage distribution of the amount invested by 5 different friends A, B, C, D, E in the business. Total investment is this, right? So A 15%, B 20%, C 18%, D 25%, and E 22%. Don't calculate the values unless required. Okay. Use this pie chart to find the investment of a person only. All person are not doing business at the same time. So पार्टनरशिप में होता है ना मनी इनटू टाइम, तो मनी तो इससे निकल जाएगी कितना इन्वेस्ट किया, बट टाइम नहीं इससे निकलेगा। उसने कहा टाइम नहीं, उन्होंने पता नहीं कब इन्वेस्ट किया ये नहीं बताया, बट मनी इतनी इन्वेस्ट की रिस्पेक्टिव फ्रेंड ने, ABCDE ने, राइट। सो मनी इससे निकाल सकते हैं, टाइम नहीं। टाइम क्वेश्चंस में गिवन होगा। ओके, लेट्स सी, लेट्स सी। Okay, so these are easy question again. You know that profit distribution is on money into time, right? In the ratio of money into time. तो investment के ratio में investment is money, capital money into time. Okay, let's see, hopefully. Yes, Nidhi, I am replying you. Hopefully, वो तो होना चाहिए। Okay, if B and C started the business together, but after 8 months C left the business. Now B and C, they have 20% and 18%. So you can take the ratio from here only. B and C are investing 20 and 18 percentage, that doesn't matter. So the ratio only matter. Okay, this is the money, and C left the business after 8 months. So C is there for 8 months, B is there for the entire year, right? So this should be the ratio. So this is 120 and 72. So 12 into 6 or 24 into 3, 24 into 5. So 5:3 is the ratio of the investment or ratio of the profit. Now out of the total profit, what is the share of C? Share of C is going to be 3 out of total 8. So out of total 10240, what will be the share? So 8 into 1, 2, 2, 8 into 2, then 6, 4, 8 into 8. So 384. So A option should be the correct answer, right? Right, your calculation should be fast. This is easy, right? Very easy calculation. Money into time, you should know that profit distribution, money into time. Money invested for what particular time period. So money into time will give you the ratio of the, right, investment or ratio of the profit. Okay, profit or loss, whatever. Okay, I hope this is clear. इसमें कोई डाउट तो नहीं है? अब मैंने फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन जल्दी सॉल्व इसलिए किया सो दैट यू शुड नो दैट व्हाट इज हैपनिंग इन दिस क्वेश्चन. नाउ यू विल आंसर. यस, अभिषेक जगदाप, बिल्कुल सही है 3840। अभी नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन यू विल आंसर, क्विकली आंसर दिस। 3 out of 8. Okay, Dhyanesh. Okay, just see. Dhyanesh, their profit ratio is 5:3. That means out of the 8 total B plus C, if they will get 8, C will get 3. So 3 out of 8. Out of 8, 5 B will get, 3 C will get. So 3 out of 8 and 5 out of 8. Right? Their ratio is 5:3. So C will get 3 out of the total 8. Profit ratio you got money into time. Money into time I got the ratio 5:3. So B will get 5, C will get 3 out of the total which is 8. 5 and 3, 8. So C will get 3 out of 8. Right? So if the total is 10240, so C will get 3 out of 8. Danesh, if both gets, let's say there are 2 person and both gets 1:1. What you will do? How much B is getting? 1 out of 2, half, because they are getting 1:1. Because it is 1 out of the total 2. Right? Okay. Okay. So let's move to next one. Now next one you should answer. I think now it should be clear how to handle such questions. A and E started a business together and the ratio of the time period of the investment is 11:10. Right? Profit ratio, very easy. A and E. Money ratio is given in the pie chart, that is 15:22. This is money. Time is given in the question, that is 11:10. So money into time, right? So here you can cancel 11 into 2, 5 into 2, 5 into 3. So it will become 3:4. So simple, super easy question. D option 3:4 would be the correct answer. Super duper easy question. Right? Yes, I hope this is clear. If there is any doubt, right? If you have any doubt, you can definitely ask. Okay, so money into time, you need to take the ratio of profit would be money into time. Okay, simple. So D is the correct answer. See, till now I have not used this value, right? Okay, I have not used this value. Because why to calculate the money share? Because I want only the ratio. If I want the ratio, I don't want the total, right? Because the ratio will be in the 15%, 22%, that will be the ratio also. Okay, next one. D and F started a business together. Now F is not there in the picture, right? But F invested rupees 2250 more than D. Now you need to calculate the value because, right, that 2250 is what percent, in percent you cannot say, right? So if D is 25%, 25% of this is by 4. Okay, by 4. So it will become 4 into 3, 15, 4 into 3, 30, 4 into 7, 20, 4 into 50. So D invested 33,750 and F invested 2250 more. If you add 250 here, it will become 1002. So 32516. Right? So investment of F I know. Now F left the business after 9 months. Okay, so F is for 9 months. What is the total profit share at the end of the year? Right, that means D was there for till end of the year. Right, if it is not given for D, I will assume that D was there for end of the year because they started together and F left after 9 months and he's talking about end of the year. So D must be there at the end of year. Right, now what is the total profit share? First, I will get the ratio of the profit share. Okay, ratio of the profit share. Okay, just see now. I will cancel this 3 into 3, 3 into 4. Okay, so I can cancel this 3 with 11 to 50. Okay, 50 I can cancel. Right, if I cancel with 50, so this will be 2. Right, 11, 22, 500. Okay, so this is 22 into 5, 9,000 by 7,200. So, sorry, 7,200. 18 into 5, 18 into 4. So, the ratio is 5:4. Right, you can cancel this all and you will get 5:4 as the ratio. If D and F are getting the profit in 5:4, the difference of the profit will be 1 part. Is getting 5 part, 4 part, so the difference will be 1 part. If difference is given 6,000, right, so total profit share will be 9 part. So 6 into 9 will be 54,000. Right, are you getting this? So that D is getting 5x, F is getting 4x, the difference is 1x, so the total should be 9x. If the difference is given 6,000, total should be 54,000. Right? Yes, Tuhina, Jagtap, absolutely correct. B option should be the correct answer. Right? Okay. But here solving this, that you should be clear with that basic concept of partnership. That is, money into time will give you the ratio of the profit. Okay. So B is the correct answer. Let's move to the next one. Central angle. Okay, this is very easy, but I will tell you that 360-degree central angle is equal to 100%. That means you can remember few values. That is, your 10% is always 36 degree. Your 25% is always 90 degree. Right? Even you can remember that 5% is 18 degree or 15% is equal to 54 degree. These are standard values. 20% equal to 72 degree. Right? If you remember these values, you can answer it quickly. Right? Investment of D is 25% and 25% is 90 degree. We already know. Right? 25% is 90 degree. Okay, that we already know. So I am just telling you that the formula for converting that percentage into degrees, 1% is always equal to 3.6 degree. Right? So you can convert any percentage into 3.6, that will become a degree. Okay, that will become value in degrees, right, into 3.6. But standard values like 5%, 15%, 25%, 10%, 20%, 30%, 100%, 50%, you should know, right? So that you can answer it very fast. Okay, now the next one. A and B started a business by investing the capital, and for X months, D also joined the business. Okay. If the profit share of D at the end of year is this, out of the total profit share of this, what is the value of X? Okay. So that means he is saying that A and B are there for entire year and D is there for X year. So A, B and D, we are talking about A 15%, B 20% and D 25%. I can get the ratio here 5 into 3, 5 into 4, 5 into 5. This is the money, ratio of money. Now time is that A and B are there for 12 months and D was there for X months, right? And D is getting a profit of 12,500 out of 33,500, right? So can I say the ratio is 5 into 25, 5 into, this will be 6, 7, right? So it is 25 out of 67 should be the share of share of D. Okay. So if I say that here, okay, here just see, that is it is 3 into 12, 36, 4 into 12, 48, and 5 into X is 5X. Okay. So here it should be देखो एक तरीका मैं आपको सिंपल बताता हूं, वैसे तो आप रेशियो लेके कर सकते हो, बट अगर 25 67 में से 25 शेयर डी का था तो ए और बी का कितना शेयर था? द रिमेनिंग विल बी 42 आउट ऑफ 67. अगर 42 आउट ऑफ 67 ए और बी का है तो यहां पे टोटल कितना बन रहा है? 36 एंड 48 टोटल इज 84. सो अगर 42 67 में से था तो अगर ये 84 है तो टोटल भी डबल होना चाहिए, तो टोटल होना चाहिए 134. यानी कि ये जो वैल्यू होनी चाहिए ये 60 होनी चाहिए, कितनी? 80 एंड 50, सॉरी 50 होनी चाहिए, यानी कि x शुड बी 10. आर यू गेटिंग इट? देखो मेरा करने का तरीका देखो. So I'm not focusing on that. D is 25 out of 67, okay. But D is in terms of X. मेरे पास जो यहां पे आ रहा है D, that is in terms of X. Right? Here D is in terms of X. So I don't want to calculate this D out of total. I'm saying if D is getting 25 out of total 67, that means A plus B must be getting 42 out of 67. अगर A plus B का 42 शेयर है आउट ऑफ 67, यानी कि यहां पे अगर 84 बन रहा है तो टोटल जो है 42 की जगह 84 बन गया, तो टोटल 67 का डबल होगा, तो टोटल 134 बनना चाहिए. इसका मतलब D 50 होना चाहिए. अगर D 50 है जो कि 5x था, अगर 5x 50 है तो x 10 है. आर यू गेटिंग इट? बताओ जरा, ये समझ में आई कहानी? दिस इज अ गुड क्वेश्चन, बट इसको करने का ट्रिक ऐसा होता है कि डी को लेने की बजाय ए प्लस बी जिसकी वैल्यू आपको दिख रही है उसको लेंगे तो ज्यादा इजीली बन जाता है, राइट? अदरवाइज यू कुड हैव डन दैट. अदरवाइज डी का शेयर 5x था आउट ऑफ टोटल था 84 प्लस 5x शुड बी इक्वल टू 25 बाय 67. आप ऐसा कर सकते थे, राइट? बट इसको सॉल्व करना मुझे लगता है कि x में जाके सॉल्व करोगे उसकी बजाय, राइट, उसको देख लो कि ए और बी का अगर 84 शेयर है, वो 42 की जगह 84 है, डबल है, तो टोटल 67 की जगह 134 होगा, यानी कि रिमेनिंग जो डी का 50 शेयर होगा, 5x अगर 50 है तो x हो गया 10. ओके, गुड. तो सेशन को अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर भी करते रहो, लाइक भी करते रहो, शेयर भी करते रहो, उसी से मोटिवेशन मिलता है हमें. ओके, सी ऑप्शन इज द करेक्ट वन. नेक्स्ट पे आ जाओ. अब क्वेश्चन है एक बार ग्राफ का दिखाया मैंने. ओके, ये लास्ट सेट होगा, इसको एक और कर लेते हैं सेट. अ बैंकिंग कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट हैज 6 बैचेस ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स ए थ्रू एफ. ओके, 6 बैचेस हैं, ए बी सी डी ई एफ. द बार ग्राफ बिलो शोज द परसेंटेज ऑफ गर्ल्स अमंग द स्टूडेंट्स ड्यूरिंग द ईयर 2017 एंड 18. परसेंटेज ऑफ गर्ल्स बताई है, राइट? वो टोटल नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स नहीं बताए. सो ट्रिकी हो सकता है. यहां पे वो कह रहा है जैसे batch A, right? Batch A, year 2017, 40% girls थी, right? Are you getting what the data says? That in 2017, batch A में, right? Batch A में, there were 40% girls. This is what data is saying. And in 2018, same batch A was having 50% girls, right? But you still don't know the number of girls because number of girls तो कहीं दिया ही नहीं है, right? There is no mention of the number of girls. It is only the percentage of girls which is given, right? Okay, now let's see the questions. Questions में कुछ आएगा? Now, see the question. That the number of students in batch D increased by 50% from 17 to 18. तो D का टोटल जो है, राइट, लेट्स से यहां पे D का टोटल 100 था, तो यहां पे D का टोटल 150 हो गया, बैच का टोटल. ओके, so the number of boys in batch D was what percent of the number of students in batch in year 2017 and 2018 together? राइट, 2017 और 18 के टुगेदर टोटल बताने हैं नंबर ऑफ बॉयज, व्हाट परसेंट ऑफ द नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स टुगेदर टोटल. सो टोटल तो मेरे पास आ गया कि 100 यहां थे, 150 यहां थे, तो टोटल 250 है. उसमें से बॉयज देखते हैं. अब गर्ल्स यहां पे 40% है, मतलब 40 गर्ल्स है तो 60 बॉयज हैं. यहां पे 50 गर्ल्स हैं तो 50 बॉयज हैं, यानी कि 60 और 50 110 बॉयज होंगे टोटल. अब जब आप परसेंटेज निकालोगे तो 0 कैंसल, 25 इंटू 4 44%. ओके, वेट अ मिनट, कुछ गड़बड़ किया मैंने डेटा में. 17 to 18 कह रहा है. द नंबर ऑफ बॉयज इन बैच डी वाज व्हाट परसेंट ऑफ द नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स इन द बैच इन ईयर 2017 एंड 18 टुगेदर. ठीक लिया है ना डेटा, डी का ही लिया है. बॉयज का ही पूछा है ना. ओह सॉरी 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 सॉरी, यहां तो 50% है ना. सॉरी, हमने गलत ली वैल्यूज. राइट, वैल्यू देखो जरा. ओह, यहां पे 50% है, टोटल 150 है ना, तो 75 गर्ल्स हैं, 75 बॉयज हैं, तो 60 एंड 75 135 बॉयज हैं. अब 135 हैं तो यहां पे हो जाएगा, ओके कैंसिल वापस करते हैं, 50 इंटू 5, 50 इंटू 4, 5 इंटू 27, 27 इंटू 4, ओके 50 इंटू 5, 50 इंटू 2, सॉरी 27 इंटू 2, 54% आ रहा है. एक बार दोबारा करके दिखा देता हूं मैं आपको. राइट, हमने वो दूसरे की वैल्यू गलत ले ली थी. यहां पे मैंने लिया है 100 टोटल, यहां पे 150, क्योंकि द क्वेश्चन सेज दैट इट इंक्रीज्ड बाय 50% फ्रॉम 2017 टू 18. राइट, सो हियर बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स 40% है, बॉयज 60% है, उतना ही रहेगा क्योंकि टोटल 100 है. यहां 50-50 है तो 75 गर्ल्स हैं, 75 बॉयज हैं, तो टोटल स्ट्रेंथ थी 250 दोनों साल की मिला के. बॉयज इज 60 प्लस 75 135. सो इफ आई टेक परसेंटेज, तो 50 इंटू 5, 50 इंटू 2, 5 इंटू 27, 27 इंटू 2, 54%. राइट, सो ए ऑप्शन 54% इज द करेक्ट आंसर. राइट, ओके, सो नॉर्मल क्वेश्चन था, बहुत ज्यादा डिफिकल्ट नहीं था. ओके, लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट वन. नेक्स्ट वन, ओके, ये आप आंसर करेंगे. ओके, ट्राई टू आंसर दिस. दिस इज अ गुड क्वेश्चन. He is saying in 2017 the number of girls in each of the batch was equal. The number of girls was equal. Okay, the number of boys in 2017 was what percent more than the number of girls in 2017? पहले गर्ल्स को इक्वल करना है, राइट? ओके, गर्ल्स को इक्वल करना है, ये अच्छा क्वेश्चन है, मतलब इसको शॉर्टकट अच्छा है, मतलब जल्दी से करने का तरीका अच्छा है, राइट? आप ये सोच रहे हो, देखो गर्ल्स इक्वल करनी है, गर्ल्स या तो 40% है, देखो गर्ल्स यहां पे कितनी है 2/5, 2 आउट ऑफ 5, यहां पे कितनी है 3 आउट ऑफ 5, 60%, यहां पे कितनी है 1/2, यहां पे कितनी है 2/5, राइट? यहां पे कितनी है 60% अगेन 3/5, यहां पे कितनी है 40% अगेन 2/5। तो आप समझ रहे हैं, गर्ल्स या तो बाय 5 वाले में आ रही हैं, मतलब 2/5, 3/5। यस Janesh, rather it will be easier than this. Okay, generally इस लेवल और इससे इजी आए, इजी टू मॉडरेट, right? You cannot expect more than this. This is easier or simple. Okay, like this only. Okay, see, so मैंने यहां पे क्यों दिखाया है 2/5, 3/5, 1/2? That means कोई ऐसा नंबर चूज करते हैं, बिकॉज आई वॉन्ट इक्वल नंबर ऑफ गर्ल्स, जो 2 का मल्टीपल हो, 3 का मल्टीपल हो, राइट? 2 का मल्टीपल, 3 का मल्टीपल, 1 का मल्टीपल, 6 ले लेते हैं, राइट? ऐसा सोच सकते हैं कि गर्ल्स अगर 6 हो, अगर गर्ल्स 6 हैं तो बॉयज कितने होंगे 9, गर्ल्स 6 बॉयज 9, क्योंकि 6 आउट ऑफ 15 हो गया ना, टोटल 15 हो गया। मैं यहां गर्ल्स लिख रहा हूं, ओके, ऐसा कर लेते हैं, यहां पे गर्ल्स और बॉयज ये 6 हैं तो ये 9, यहां पे गर्ल्स 6 हैं तो टोटल 10, यानी कि बॉयज 4, राइट? बिकॉज 6 आउट ऑफ 10 होगा। यहां पे गर्ल्स 6 हैं तो बॉयज भी 6, क्योंकि 1/2 है, 50% गर्ल्स 50% बॉयज। यहां पे 6 हैं तो यहां पे 9, यहां पे 6 हैं तो यहां पे 4, यहां पे 6 हैं तो यहां पे 9, राइट? यही है। तो देख लो, गर्ल्स तो मैंने 6 ली हैं सब में, तो 36, बॉयज कितने हुए 9, 4, 9, 9, 9, 18, 4, 22, 28, 28 and 4, 32 and 9, 41, राइट? तो उसने पूछा क्या है, बॉयज व्हाट परसेंट मोर देन द गर्ल्स, तो बॉयज आर 5 मोर देन 36, तो ये बताना है, राइट? 5/36 कितना हो जाएगा, आप 500/36 कर दो, या 250/18 और 125/9, परसेंटेज निकालो, 9 into 1 35, 9 into 3 13.89% should be the correct answer. Okay, the point is that if girls are equal, right, girls जो परसेंटेज के फ्रैक्शन में आ रही थी 2/5, 3/5 और 1/2, मैंने उनके न्यूमिरेटर 2, 3, 1 का एलसीएम ले लिया 6, उसके अकॉर्डिंगली हमेशा तुम्हारा टोटल जो है इंटीजर बनेगा, यानी कि बॉयज इंटीजर आते जाएंगे, राइट? अदरवाइज आप 1 भी ले सकते हो कि गर्ल 1 ही है, उसके अकॉर्डिंगली बॉय को बनाते जाओ, वो फ्रैक्शन बनेगा और कुछ नहीं, हो तो जाएगा क्वेश्चन, तब भी हो जाएगा, बट देन द कैलकुलेशंस विल बी इन फ्रैक्शंस। आर यू गेटिंग दिस? देखो ये अच्छा, मतलब क्वेश्चन अच्छा है इन टर्म्स ऑफ कि अगर आप ऐसा नहीं करते तो थोड़ी सी कैलकुलेशन आपको करनी पड़ेगी। ओके, इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट यू कैन आस्क। ओके, सो बी इज द करेक्ट आंसर। नेक्स्ट वन पे आ जाओ। नाउ ये क्वेश्चन, राइट, अगर सीमैट में आता है तो आई विल इमीडिएटली स्किप, राइट? जब इतनी सारी स्टेटमेंट्स को चेक करना हो ना, तो सीमैट में और जो क्वेश्चन है वो काफी इजी होते हैं, तो आप पहले बाकी करोगे और बाद में अगर टाइम बच जाए तो इसको देखोगे, वरना स्किप दिस, राइट? नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स 5 लोग हैं, तो आपको एक केस है ना बीच में 1/2, तो वो वहां पे नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट नहीं ले सकते, सॉरी, नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट नहीं, आपको जगदीश नंबर ऑफ गर्ल्स इक्वल करनी थी, नंबर ऑफ गर्ल्स इक्वल करनी है ना, उसमें गर्ल्स इक्वल थोड़ी हो जाएंगी, आपको गर्ल्स इक्वल रखनी पड़ेंगी, तो या तो गर्ल्स को 5 लो या गर्ल्स को 1 ले लो, राइट? ऐसा सोचो ना, अगर आपको ऐसा नहीं करना, अरे वो तो कर लोगे, बट सारों में गर्ल्स इक्वल करनी है ना, गर्ल्स इन ईच ऑफ द बैच वाज इक्वल। अगर ऐसा करना है तो गर्ल आप ऐसा कर सकते हो कि गर्ल सब में 1 है, ओके, गर्ल क्या है, 1 1 1 1 1, तो अगर गर्ल्स 40% है, बॉयज 60%, तो वन का अगर 140% है तो आपको 60% चाहिए, मतलब 3/2, तो बॉयज कितना हो गया, 3/2 यहां, तो 40-40 वाले जहां भी हैं वहां 3/2 हो गए बॉयज, राइट? जहां 50% था वहां बॉय भी 1 हो गया, बट जहां 60% था वहां 2/3 हो गया बॉय। अब गर्ल्स तो टोटल 6 आ गई, बॉयज देख लो 3/2 3/2 3/2, सो ये हो गया 9/2, और 1 ये है, 9/2 प्लस 1 11/2, 11/2 प्लस 4/3, so this will become 6, 3 into 33 plus 8, 41/6, तो गर्ल्स 6 हैं और बॉयज 41/6, राइट? रेशियो ले लो, बॉयज टू गर्ल्स रेशियो ले लो, तो 41/6 is to 6 is 41 is to 36, तो अब आपको बताना है बॉयज गर्ल्स से कितना ज्यादा है, राइट? यस, मैं तभी बोल रहा था कि उसको इजी करने के लिए मैंने वो नंबर ऐसा ले लिया था जिससे बॉयज सारे इंटीजर में आए। ओके, गुड गुड। नेक्स्ट देखो, इफ द नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स इन ईच ऑफ द बैचेस इन 2018 वाज 180, अब की बार नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट सेम है 2018 में, राइट? अब की बार नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट सेम है 180, राइट? तो आप 180 स्टूडेंट लेके सारों में कैलकुलेट कर सकते हो, यहां पे बॉयज और गर्ल्स फिर मैं लिख देता हूं, यहां पे 50% है यानी कि 90-90, यहां पे कितना है 70%, सो 18 इंटू 7 126, सॉरी गर्ल्स हैं 126, ओके, गर्ल्स हैं आपकी 126 और बॉयज होंगे 18 इंटू 3 54, यहां 180 60%, 18 इंटू 6 108, 18 इंटू 4 72, यहां 50% है तो यहां फिर से 90-90, यहां 40% है मतलब 72 और 108, ओके, यहां पे 30% है तो 54 एंड 126। नाउ एवरेज नंबर ऑफ गर्ल्स इन द 6 बैचेस वाज 89, ओके, देखो गर्ल्स का सारे नंबर जो हैं 18 के मल्टीपल हैं, राइट? आप उसको देख लो 18 इंटू 5, राइट? आप ऐसे ऐड करो 5 प्लस 7 12, 12 प्लस 6 18, 18 प्लस 5 23 प्लस 4 27 प्लस 3 30, 30/6 विल बी 5 इंटू 18, 90 एवरेज आएगी, सो एवरेज 90 आ रही है, 89 नहीं आ रही, राइट? एवरेज इज 90। द परसेंटेज ऑफ बॉयज इन 2018 वाज 50.56, राइट? ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है, क्योंकि अगर ये 90 एवरेज आ रही है और टोटल 180 था हर ईयर में, तो उसकी भी एवरेज 90 आएगी, तो दोनों सेम होंगे 50-50%, 50.56 कैसे हो सकता है, राइट? देयर वर मोर गर्ल्स देन बॉयज इन 2018, नो, इक्वल है 50-50%। द मैक्सिमम डिफरेंस बिटवीन द नंबर ऑफ बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स इन एनी ऑफ द बैचेस वाज 72, देखो जरा 72 कहां बन रहा है, इसमें तो 0 है, इसमें 72 है, इसमें कम है, इसमें कम, इसमें कम, 72, यस, दैट्स करेक्ट, सो ओनली 4, डी ऑप्शन शुड बी द करेक्ट आंसर, ओनली 4, ओनली 4 होना चाहिए, बाकी सारे गलत है, राइट? एवरेज गर्ल्स का भी 90 आ रहा है, बॉयज का भी 90 आ रहा है, अगर गर्ल्स का एवरेज 90 आएगा और टोटल 180 लिया है, मतलब टोटल का एवरेज 180 है, तो बॉयज का एवरेज 90 ही आएगा। यानी कि इक्वल है। ओके, बॉयज और गर्ल्स दोनों इक्वल हैं तो 50-50% हो सकते थे, राइट। सो मोर गर्ल्स या लेस गर्ल्स नहीं है। सो फर्स्ट तीनों स्टेटमेंट गलत हो गई, ओनली 4 इज करेक्ट, राइट, ओनली 4 इज करेक्ट। सो द ऑप्शन वुड बी डी, ओनली 4, राइट। एंड मैक्सिमम डिफरेंस 72 आ रहा है, दैट इज इन बी एंड एफ, बी एंड एफ में, बैच बी और बी एफ में दोनों में ही डिफरेंस जो है वो 72 है। ओके, so D is the correct answer. Okay, so this was the last question. Okay, मैं अपने आप को हाइड कर लेता हूं, मिस्टर इंडिया बन जाता हूं। आप एक बार ये देखेंगे, ये शेड्यूल देखेंगे, इसमें कल टुमारो ये हाउ टू सॉल्व डीआई सेट इफेक्टिवली, ये 7 PM का है, डेली 7 PM का, राइट। ये जो डीआई सेट्स का कल एक और सेशन होगा, ये पर्टिकुलरली टिसनेट के लिए है, राइट। टिसनेट अगर कोई फोकस कर रहा है उसके लिए जरूरी, अदरवाइज भी आप अटेंड कर सकते हैं। ओके, और आज जो शाम को है एसिंग अरिथमेटिक विद सरल सर, ओके, ये कल मेरे साथ है। फिर मेरे साथ SICI का है, सिंपल इंटरेस्ट कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट का, आपको 19th को यानी कि सैटरडे को, राइट। ये 7 o'clock का है सेशन, टिसनेट को फोकस करके, लास्ट लैब टू टिसनेट। ओके, उसके बाद ये सब करंट अफेयर्स के, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, प्रणव सर के सेशन, राइट। और 18th को फ्राइडे को ज्योमेट्री डिकोडेड सरल सर, और लास्ट में वेडनेसडे 23rd को गौरव सर का वाई स्टैट्स नंबर सीरीज इज इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर टेस्टनेट। ओके, देन यू हैव कैट PI वैट प्रोग्राम, ये जो हमारा प्रोग्राम चल रहा है बायजूस एग्जाम प्रेप ऐप पे। ओके, सो दिस इज कंप्लीट प्रेपरेशन फॉर योर सेकंड स्टेज, राइट। इसमें देर विल बी 3 मॉक इंटरव्यूज, 15 पावर पैक्ड सेशंस, वैट भी, दैट वैट इज ऑल्सो इंक्लूडेड, वैट करेक्शन भी है, 1 वैट करेक्शन, right, that is a writing ability test. Most of the B school they are asking now VAT. Okay, if you have any query you can call at 9513138506. Okay, you can call at this number or you can write at support@byju'sexamprep.com. Okay, so we have already started this CAT 2022 complete course batch 5. Okay, I am taking this batch with Saral sir and Sanojam sir. Okay, so you can like, comment, share, subscribe. Okay, the these links are in the description. You can follow us at Instagram, right, YouTube channel. You must subscribe and press the bell icon so that you get the notifications, right. And then Facebook page you can follow us at, okay, and you can join us our Telegram channel, and then you can download this BYJU'S Exam Prep app also. Okay, so links are in the description. So that's it for today. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye. Namaste. Jai Hind. Thank you.